Look at what we got. Hold on. Look at what we got in the canal. It's a male Bufflehead. Look at him. All right. That's awesome. Ooh, and who do we have? We got a little female too. Little female. These guys should have left already, but it still feels like fucking winter here. It's middle of April and it's 36 degrees out and rainy and cold. So that's awesome. Okay, see ya. Hey guys, it is really, really flooded. I can't even get down to where I feed them when it's flooded. That's the trail. So I gotta kind of feed everybody up here, and it's hard because they're really aggressive right now due to nesting and hormones. So I fed them up here. Whoever can come up. Now I'm gonna go to the wall. Hopefully a pair made a nest in the middle of the island, so I'm hoping that's not all flooded out. So yeah, it's really hard when they're in a confined area. I tried to spread it out, put food all down that way too. So, all right, later. That's the nest I was talking about, guys, on the island. I mean, I don't know if it survived. Mama's still on there though, so we will see. We must have got a lot of rain last night. But she's still on it, so I'm hoping the egg survives. So, all right, see ya. Yeah, look at that right there. It's either a Phoebe or a Pee-wee. He just landed over there and was bopping his tail. There's so much food that I put out. Every little bird's coming out. So, yeah. And over here, we got Tippy and Buddy. Where they at? Oh, there's Tippy. Hi, Tippy. Say hi, Tippy. You had to wait for Willie to leave. Yep, say hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, hi. Uh-oh. Okay. No fighting. No fighting. Look, these guys are still here. Welcome back. Daddy and Mama Bufflehead. They're so cute. Aww. Oh, the lighting's so shitty. All right. See you guys.